we will see 2 into 3. So 6 is the highest common factor. So to calculate HCF, what we will do? First step, factorization. Step 2, identify common factors. And number 3, multiplication of these common factors. As we did recently. If I calculate factors, highest common factor of 12 and 16, what we will do? First, we will find factors of 12. 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja. Now we will calculate of 16. 2 4 2 2 1 2. I will write these as like that. Step 2, 12. 2 into 2 into 2 into 16. What are the commons? These are these. 2 2s are common. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is the highest common factor between 12 and 14. Now we will talk about lowest common factor. As the name suggests, what is lowest common between any numbers? If we want to calculate lowest common factor, what we will do? If we want to calculate 20, 30 and 40 is lowest common factor, we will place these in one line by using comma. What I said, first we will use lowest digit to check that it will be divisible by lowest number or not. What we will do, the last digit of every number is 0. So what we studied in last class, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If these are the last digits, then the number will be completely divisible by we will divide. The difference between highest and lowest common factor is what? We will separately factorizing them, but here we are factorizing them in group. All numbers, if we want to calculate lowest common factors of 10 numbers, we will place all these 10 numbers here. If we divide, what we will do? We are going to divide these numbers by 2. How many times? 10. How many times? 15. How many times? Now we will again divide by it by 2. 2 5s are 10. But 15 is not divisible by 2. What we will do? We will completely route the number which is not divisible by the divisor. We will place as it is. We place 15 here. It will be 10 times. Again, we have one digit which will be divisible by 2. 5, because 5 is not divisible by 2, we will place 5 here. 15 is also not divisible by, but 10 is divisible by, that is 5. Now these are divisible by 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. The only number divisible by 3 is 15. 3 5 are 15. So we got 5 and we will divide it by 5 because no other number divides these numbers. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja. We will write these here in sequence, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So this will be the lowest common factor of these numbers 20, 30 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 will be the lowest common factor of 20, 30 and now today's homework. Exercise 3.3 to 3.6. Do these exercises in pair copy and submit 5 questions from each exercise on sheet in school COVID homework. Thank you.